Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Mindray Multi Sera Calibrator, volume of 3 ml. Over here we can see the brand name Mindray. This is a product name Multi Sera Calibrator, volume of 3 ml. Here we can see the lot number and also expiry date. This is a C certificate IVD product, and also we should maintain between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Store away from direct sunlight, so mention protect from light. So here we can see the volume of 3 ml. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Mindray product Multi Sera Calibrator, a volume of 3 ml. It is also a glass product, so handle with care. A lot number, expiry date. So this is a overall view. I am going to show the multiple products with you. With this product. So these are all our same product. Here we can see Multi Sera Calibrator, volume of 3 ml. So another one. So overall view of this product. Thank you.